Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got new 2025 casting. It's a Peugeot 9X8 Hypercar. I'm still not sure if it's Peugeot or Peugeot. So if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry. So this is a new casting, looks like a race car. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Peugeot 9X8 Hypercar out of its box. And the first glance you'll definitely won't miss it. It's basically a race car. Looks like one of those limo racing cars, central cab, white body. But yeah, I like the paint job on this one too. It looks really cool. Let's start from the front. Front, you can see few details, uh, like here. It's I don't know if it has headlamps or not, but I think even if it did, it would be LED ones, so you won't really able to see it. But I think there's three lines you see on both the sides, those are the LEDs headlamps. Apart from that, it's all aero. You can see this big splitter up front, spoiler, lip spoiler. uh, Again, as I said, it's all aero here. You can see this central cabin. It's surrounded like a cockpit, so it's very different design. Again, Peugeot written on the front, and you can see the wheels from here. So I think there's an opening for pulling in more air, cooling them down. Coming to the side, yeah, because I think the driver is centrally positioned. So this side, again, you can see more air element going from here to the back. Peugeot written here, 9X8, the same paint scheme goes. You can also see the mirrors here. This is good. You have the mirrors here on the front fender. The cab is, I can't really see much inside because it's tinted again. I can see the steering wheel there. So yeah, and again you have the central fin kind of design here. I think more related to aero. You can also see the big spoiler in the back. So yeah, wheels. We have seen these wheels on so many different Hot Wheels. They do chrome, gray, black. Black looks nice here. Coming to the back, again, nice details. But again, they are like, you can see the details, but they're not painted or anything. You've got the huge wing. I think these are gonna be the tail lamp in the back. And if you look closely, I don't know if my camera can focus there. There's bracing inside, so you can see that. And then you have got a big diffuser in the back too. Other side looks almost identical, and this is how it looks from the top. So overall, well, it's a nice looking casting. Can definitely use some more details, but for a mainline, I think it's all right. Hot Wheels have been doing this. If you get like nice paint job, they miss out on lights and stuff. And Hot Wheels usually don't do headlamps. I've seen that. They do on some, but they usually don't do it. Should you get one? Well, I think you should. It's a nice new casting and looks really good. Well, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.